AMG's foundation stone was laid back on 1st of June 1967. To mark the 55th anniversary of the performance and sports car brand, the production version of the Mercedes-AMG ONE is celebrating its world premiere. The two-seater super sports car brings the world's most modern and efficient Formula One hybrid drive technology from the racetrack to the road for the first time. The performance hybrid produces a total output of 782 kilowatts, 1063 HP, from one combustion engine and 4 electric motors, with a top speed capped at 352 km per hour. The extremely complex development was carried out in close cooperation with the Formula One experts at Mercedes-AMG High-Performance Powertrains in Brixworth. The Mercedes-AMG ONE will also officially be seen in action for the first time in the UK, as part of the Festival of Speed at Goodwood, 23 to June 26, 2022. The unique hypercar inspires not only with its e-performance Formula One hybrid drive but also with further motorsport technology. This ranges from the carbon-fibre monocoque and carbon-fibre body to the load-bearing engine/transmission unit, active aerodynamics, and the pushrod suspension. With its complex technology, the two-seater Mercedes-AMG ONE offers even more than a Formula One racing car in some cases. It features the AMG Performance 4MATIC and fully variable all-wheel drive with hybrid-driven rear axle and electrically driven front axle with torque vectoring. It can also drive purely electrically. With the Mercedes-AMG ONE, we have more than pushed the envelope. The immense technical challenges of making a modern Formula One powertrain suitable for everyday road use have undoubtedly pushed us to our limits. Over the duration of the development period, many may have thought that the project would be impossible to implement. Nevertheless, the teams in Affelterbach and the UK never gave up and believed in themselves. I have the highest respect for all those involved and am proud of this team achievement. To put such a hypercar on wheels is certainly unique. This applies to us as Mercedes-AMG not only from a technical point of view, but also in terms of the close exchange with our loyal customers. Together with us, they have gone through ups but also downs in the course of development. They were an integral part of Project One from the very beginning and can now look forward to the highly exclusive and unique Mercedes-AMG ONE, which has now also been able to clear the next hurdle and passed all certification tests, says Philip Schiemer, chairman of the Board of Management of Mercedes-AMG GmbH.